My dear brothers and sisters, first I want to thank God for a wonderful webinar that we had on May 23. It was so good to see many old friends and also to meet new friends at this webinar. Now, I want to apologize that I could not answer many of your questions. The questions were coming in so fast, and they were all good questions that I had to take time to try to explain. So there were so many questions still yet I did not yet answer after almost 3 hours. Now, many of the participants have requested us to do a follow-up webinar to answer the remaining questions. And so what I would like to do is that we would like to have a follow-up webinar on June 9th to answer those questions, and we look forward to seeing all of you again. And if you think it is useful for your fellow pastors, your friends, please invite them to come and join this webinar. Now, if they have not yet watched the 2 videos, I encourage you to send the link to them so that they will be more informed as they join us for this webinar on June 9th. Let's all gather, let's all learn from one another so that we can all serve God more effectively in this time of coronavirus. May God bless you. See you June 9th.